Unstoppable You, Micro Steps for Burnout Recovery and Inner Strength Awakening. Have you ever felt your energy fall apart even after a full night of sleep? You carry too much. You push through every day while a quiet weight sits on your chest. I will show you how to lift it, one small decision at a time. Here is the bold truth. Your comeback starts with steps so small that your exhaustion cannot fight them. You are here because burnout has taken something from you. Maybe your focus, maybe your confidence, maybe your driving. Stay with me. You will leave with a system that rebuilds your strength from the inside. This audiobook teaches you how to use micro steps for burnout recovery. It gives you a path that fits into a tired mind. It fits into long days. It fits into a life that needs more ease. Today, you learn how to build strength again without forcing it. Why micro steps matter. Micro steps work because your brain accepts them when you feel drained. Your brain rejects big change in burnout. You win with tiny moves, simple choices, short rituals, 1-minute wins. Each one builds momentum. Each one wakes up for inner strength. This is the base of Unstoppable You, Micro Steps for Burnout Recovery and Inner Strength Awakening. What if the next minute changes how you feel all morning? Start with a slow inhale for 4 seconds, hold it for 1 second, release for 4 seconds. Do this 3 times. This resets your stress cycle. It lowers the pressure that builds during burnout. You can do this while walking, or sitting, or waiting. Here is a story. A listener named Kai tried this for 1 week. He told me his mornings felt lighter on day 3. Not perfect, but lighter. You gain more calm within 90 seconds. If 1 minute helps you this fast, imagine what a small habit can do. What if your energy rises when you stop doing one small thing? Choose one drain, a small one, not a big one. Remove it for 1 week. This could be checking messages too early. It could be saying yes to tasks you dislike. Pick one. Protect your bandwidth. Emotional burnout often comes from slow leaks. Plug one leak, then watch your energy shift. Many people try to remove big drains first. It backfires. Start tiny. You gain at least 10 extra minutes of mental clarity each day. Your mind wants less noise. Give it silence. What if one sentence strengthens your identity again? Burnout weakens your sense of self. Use one identity line. Say it once in the morning. Say it out loud. Keep it simple. For example, I show up with strength today. Or, I choose clarity today. Your brain follows the identity you speak. This is not magic. This is focus training. Speak the line slowly. Speak it with a steady voice. You feel more direction by day 5. You shape your strength with your voice. What if movement becomes your charger? Walk for 2 minutes. Not 10, not 20. 2. Micro steps work because they do not stress the mind. A 2-minute walk lifts mood. It boosts blood flow. It resets your attention. It gets you out of your head. This is vital when burnout makes you feel stuck. 2 minutes can change your chemistry. You gain more alertness for the next hour. Your body wants simple movement. What if you choose one win before noon? Burnout hides your wins, so create one. Choose a single task you can finish in 5 minutes. Do it before noon. This builds confidence. It builds momentum. You move from stuck to active, even if the day feels heavy. People often chase big wins. Small wins rebuild you faster. You feel more in control by midday. If you want more short rituals like this, subscribe now and replay tip 2 every morning. What if you do less to feel more steady? Burnout grows when you overload your day. Create a tiny not-to-do list. List one thing you will avoid today. You choose one action that drains you. You skip it with intention. This protects your mental strength. It trains you to stop unnecessary effort. You feel one level lighter by evening. Choosing less gives you more space. What if you talk to yourself with clarity? Burnout twists your thoughts. Use one check-in question. Ask, what do I need in this moment? This question gives you direction. It grounds you fast. You can answer it in 10 seconds. This works in stressful meetings. It works in quiet moments too. Clarity comes from honest checking. You feel a clearer mind during hard moments. What if night becomes your reset button? Create a 90-second night ritual. Write one line. What drained me today? Then write one line. What helped me today? This builds awareness. It shows you patterns. Burnout fades when patterns become visible. Do not write long paragraphs, 2 lines only. You sleep with less mental noise after 1 week. You close each day with purpose. What if your environment supports your recovery? Burnout gets worse when your space overwhelms you. Clear one small area, one desk corner, one counter, one drawer, not the whole room. A clear area gives your mind relief. It signals order. Your brain responds fast to small changes. Small spaces shift mood. You gain sharper focus in that space. A clear corner can change your day. What if one promise to yourself becomes the turning point? Choose one tiny promise you will keep for 7 days. It must be easy. Drink 1 glass of water when you wake. Stretch for 20 seconds. Sit in silence for 1 minute. You rebuild trust in yourself when you keep simple promises. This trust rebuilds your inner strength. You feel more grounded by the end of the week. You rise with small commitments. Integration ritual. Now you combine the micro steps. Pick 3, only 3. Use them tomorrow. Do not use all 10. Burnout recovery is steady. You gain strength by reducing pressure. Choose the ones that feel easiest right now. These 3 will carry you. This is how you practice unstoppable you, micro steps for burnout recovery and inner strength awakening. Closing reflection. You started this audiobook tired. You may still be tired. That is fine. You learned simple actions that fit into real life. You learned how micro steps rebuild energy. You learned how strength grows from ease. Your comeback is already moving. Here is your final daily practice. Pick one small step each morning. Pick one small release each night. Repeat for 7 days. You rise from burnout through small decisions. You rise with steady strength. If this helped you, listen again tomorrow. Your comeback begins with one easy step.